Hey, hello. Okay, so finally we came out of the park that I was taking photos, and I finally came to another place. It's really cold. It's really early, and there's a lot of sound. So I don't know if I will like record a lot. But yeah, hopefully you like it. And yeah, let's begin. Let's go. Okay, so I'm also using a new microphone. So tell me if you like or you don't like the sound of it. You know that the gear that we are going to be using today is the A74 with the 100 to 600. So hopefully we will see good animals. Right now I'm looking at ducks, mostly ducks. So I think that today is going to be fully Ducks Day. So yeah, it's really how can I say it? There's not many light, so maybe we will wait a little bit to start taking photos, but yeah, we will try to get some, or at least to start looking around. But yes, there's not many light and the dogs are far away, so yeah, we will need to wait a little bit. Okay, so I already started taking some photos. We don't have a lot of sun, so yeah, it's gonna be blurry, but we will wait a little bit more to start taking more photos. Okay, so I'm trying to approach all the birds because they are really far. So yeah, oh, they're flying. Damn. We'll try to get some of them, but they are really far away. Okay, I think I got some. They fly away fast. First time taking photos here in the wild, we can say, and my god, it's different. I won't say that it's difficult, but I will say that it's different, because I don't know this place, so I don't know where they can be or how they're going to react. But yeah, I like it. I like this place. So let's try to take some good photos, okay? Look, there's a airplane. Se ve ahí nada más las piernas. ¿Quieres te pongo tu micrófono? Dime que pruebo los micrófonos. Sí. Tómale. ¿Está muy I sell this photo. Queda puerquísimo mi carro. Va a quedar puerquísimo mi carro. Ni modo, así es la vida del fotógrafo de naturaleza. Ay, estoy empezando esta mal. Vamos a ver cómo ahorita que ya salga el sol. ¿Viste? Ahí lo tienes. Sunrise. Ajá. Ahí está. The sunrise de frente. Okay, so today I'm not speaking that much because I came here with my father, and to be honest, I'm trying to enjoy the peace and also enjoy the time with my father. So maybe today you won't see a lot of speaking, and maybe you will see more photos than anything. So yeah, today is gonna be a different type of video. Hopefully you will like it. And let me know in the comments if you prefer just looking at photos instead of hearing me talking. So yeah, let me know. Okay, so I didn't talk that much today, but hopefully you like it. And maybe this will be a shorter video, but hopefully you like it. I like the adventure of waking up at 5 a.m. and being here at 6 so we can saw the sunrise. I really like it. I will do it again. And yeah, hopefully you like it and you enjoy this video. And let me know in the comments if you want to see another type of photography, because I'm thinking of doing also sports or other type of photos. So let me know if you like to see that type of photos. And yeah, I will see you next week. Bye.